Namaste, Hariom. There are many people who are very busy, very occupied, and they generally complain that they are not able to take their breakfast on time because they have no cooking time, right? So, I am sharing a recipe with you all which I take every day. I am done with my yoga abhyas, with my sun therapy, with a wonderful workout, of course yogic workout, and also work in through meditation. And I have taken a healthy, sumptuous, super amazing breakfast, taste wise and health benefit wise. And what if I tell you that this recipe is a recipe where cooking time is zero? So you just you don't need to take out extra time to cook this breakfast, and this way you can excuse your excuse of I can't have breakfast because I have no time to cook. So this is a wonderful breakfast which is not only going to help you in weight loss, but also it's a wonderful way to protect and prevent any kind of cancer. Yes. And also it boosts your immunity. It work wonders on your digestive system, and of course in maintaining your body weight, it is a wonderful tool. Just four ingredients you need, and this is going to give you amazing health benefits. So just let's have a look how to make it with zero cooking time. No gas, no cooking stuff, just straight away you can have this breakfast without cooking. So for this power packed, sumptuous, super healthy breakfast, we need milk, fruits, basil seeds, and flax seeds. Just four ingredients are required. Let's talk about basil seeds. Basil seeds are amazing. It reduces cholesterol, improves digestive health, stabilizes blood sugar, protects against heart diseases. It's wonderful for hair and skin. It's high in fiber, low in carbs, and it also combats inflammation and is also known as an anti-cancer preventive food, cancer prevention food. Now, this is how basil seeds look. What you have to do is just roast them. No oil, nothing. Just simply roast them and grind them and convert these roasted basil seeds into fine powder. And you can just store this powder in a container for some time. And this is the first ingredient ready for our sumptuous breakfast. Second is basil seeds, which are known as sabja beej or tulsi beej in Hindi. And this is how it looks. And there are amazing health benefits of basil seeds as well. It is also known as a good prevention for cancer. It also boosts digestion, improves metabolism, protects liver, vitamin A rich it is, and strengthens our hair and wonderful for skin. It soothes our nerves, antioxidant, cures constipation, improves respiratory system, and fights off flu. That means it enhances your immunity. So this black one is how it looks when it's dry, and those white ones is when you soak them in water or milk. Okay, so let's begin. We have to take milk in a bowl and just add 1 spoon of roasted powdered flax seeds in it. Mix it well, just put it, and then take 1 spoon of basil seeds. This is how it looks. And mix this well. Make sure that flaxseed powder and basil seeds are completely merged into milk when you mix it. Now, next ingredient is, of course, colorful fruits. Just take 4 or 5 seasonal, locally available fruits, but just remember orange or any other citrus fruit we don't have to take because the combination of citrus fruit with milk is not correct. So here I have taken banana, I have taken apple and nashpati, and mix these cut fruits in this mixture. Properly mix it and then keep it in refrigerator for entire night. Okay, now next morning your amazing breakfast is ready. This is how it will look. and it will give a creamy texture because of the seeds. Now you can decorate it with different toppings of different seeds. It is already sweet, but still, if you want to add some more sweets, you can add some dates or jaggery to it. So this way you can decorate it with more fruits and seeds.